Right, and joining us are two very special guests, Professor Manoj Chaudhary, Vice Chancellor of the Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, and also joining us is Mr. Vijay Kumar Dutt, former additional member of the Railway Board. Gentlemen, welcome to this special broadcast. Good to have you join us. If I can come to you, Mr. Dutt, first, a big day for Indian Railways as well. Talk to us about the two bridges that were inaugurated by the Prime Minister, the Chenab Bridge and the Anji Bridge. What does it mean for the valley and the people as well as for the railways itself?
Sir, this is something very great. As you have aptly said, it is the gateway to prosperity of this entire region, Jammu and Kashmir. What we say, once long back I was in Kashmir on inspection, so one person told me, sir, the fate of Kashmir will only open when railways come. I said, there are so many flights. He said, once the railway comes, lakhs of people will come, lakhs of tourists will come, and our fate, our prosperity will only come when railways come. And today is that historic day when it has been achieved. And as you rightly said, it has been achieved with making so many world's first. Two, three things which are hidden, which I want to say. See, Himalaya was a seabed once, and when the two plates collided, it became a mountain. So it is a mound of sand. It is not a mound. It is not a stone. So anything to do in that sand area is full of challenges. You see tunnels collapse. So what has been achieved? It is not Alps which is made of stone. So something to do in Himalaya and to do such a feat, which is world's first tunnels, the cable stay bridges, is something every Indian and every technical engineer in India should feel very, very proud.
Okay, Professor Manoj Chaudhary is also with us in the studio. Namaskar,
Good
sir.
morning, namaste.
Yes, so could you also tell us a bit more about the Chenab Bridge? It is considered a marvel of civil engineering. Why is that? And could you also perhaps shed some light on the obstacles that have come in building this Chenab Bridge over the course of last several years?
This bridge is a monument of India's engineering excellence. If you look at this bridge, of course, as you already highlighted in the news, that it is the largest single arch bridge that we have, 359 meters tall, 35 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower, 1,315 meter long. The important part here is how this is constructed, right? If you look in the steel welding that has happened in this bridge, right, more than maybe 500 kilometers steel welding, how they have been inspected. We used phased array ultrasound, ultrasonic testing machines to inspect each of the joint. If it can withstand the wind pressures and the challenges, that is one part. Second part, when such a bridge is constructed, how the single biggest arch, how did we use, for example, the cranes to lift and to put the arch in its place. Secondly, many parts of it were prefabricated or fabricated near the site itself, and therefore, from engineering excellence point of view, right, it is a very, very important excellence that has happened, and Indian Railways has shown to the world that Chenab Bridge not only connects two parts below which the Chenab river is flowing, it is actually very, very important segment of the entire Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link. And if we look in the entire design in the seismic zone, when we create such kind of a bridge, we need to take care of lot of aspects into the bridge design itself. What kind of analysis has to be done, including load analysis, including looking at the condition monitorings of how we will measure its structural health over a period of time, what kind of load it can carry. So all those kind of aspects, when you do design, when you do analysis, when you do construction, including already taking care of the maintenance issues as we go ahead. are very, very important part of this engineering challenge. And I am extremely happy that today the engineers from India, Indian engineers have created this engineering marvel in Indian Railways, and Indian Railways, which is a technological organization, has shown its might to the entire world.
Indeed. Professor Chaudhary, Mr. Dutt, do stay on. We are getting some news that's just coming in.